bro. Those headlights look so good. Too bad I have no fucking turbo. So bright now, and it looks so much better. What's going on, guys? Koozie F30 here. So recently I'm pretty sure I blew my boost pipe, and my car was idling like dog shit. Like, it was crazy. Like, I almost thought my fuel pump was failing again. I got really worried because it's not even, I don't even know, 6 months old. I was like, I really don't feel like doing that again. And I kept looking up a bunch of forums trying to see if I could find anything with like my specific check engine codes that I got. And I found one forum where the guy said that he unplugged his MAF sensor and then the car started idling correctly again. And he also had a blown charge pipe at one point. But it ended up, for him, being that his MAF sensor's faulty. I'm not going to go with that yet because I already know that I've had a boost leak recently. Every time I floor it, it almost sounds like I have a supercharger, like it whines. And I'm almost positive it's that charge pipe because it feels so loose at the bottom, and my boost pipe does not feel like that. And the charge pipe at the top is super tight as well. It's only the bottom where it mounts to the intercooler that feels super loose. So I already bought that part. It's coming in the mail sometime next week, hopefully, because I don't know what's going on with the whole Texas thing. And I'm gonna make a video of me installing it, kinda, because like I don't really have anything to set my phone up and film exactly what I'm doing. So I'm gonna try for like the best of my ability to show where I'm like reaching at, and it's gonna be a little bit easier for me because I'm missing my fender liner. And I can reach right to it if my steering wheel's turned, which, I mean, you could take your fender liner off if you wanted to, but I'm pretty sure it's easier if you just go completely from the bottom. And that on my car is also halfway missing. I only have to cut like 2 zip ties and take 2 bolts off, so it's most likely going to be a little bit easier for me than most. So I'm going to show what I disconnected to make my idle smooth out. I'm not going to plug it back in because I don't like the way my car was idling like that, but I mean, I'm sitting in my car right now and it's not idling at 1,000 and I don't sound cammed. And when I'm driving, it feels 100% normal. But when I checked my my PID values and everything, my wastegate is 100% open right now at all times. So my turbo is practically turned off. And I'm okay with that because it's saving the engine until I replace this boost pipe. It's smart. And I think that only happened because I unplugged the MAF. I'm pretty sure I still had boost until I did that. And I'm pretty sure that's why the car was idling like shit. So if you have this same issue, you blow your boost pipe and you're waiting to get the part, I highly recommend unplugging the MAF until it comes in. I'll show you exactly where I disconnect. So right here is your mass airflow sensor. It's a 3.5 bar, which is pretty good to be honest, but you're gonna have to use a really small screwdriver, and this little clip piece right here is really stiff, so I had to push down on it. I actually stuck it under right here and pried up on the little piece instead, and then just pull it right out. And it fixed my idle, and I can drive normally until I get my boost pipe. See, like right here, it barely moves, but when I come down here, it's just so loose. And I mean, I feel like that would be it. I mean, I don't know. I hope so. I really do. This video is not going to be super long. It's more just to kind of help anybody who just recently have blown like a boost pipe or a charge pipe and their car's idling like shit. I mean, another forum said something about the Vano solenoid. I really hope it's not that, because that part's really expensive. I'd rather my boost pipe be the issue or just the mass airflow sensor be the problem, because those are much easier and much cheaper to replace than my freaking solenoid that controls my timing. Like, that's too much. I don't know. I'm too scared if it's that. I really do hope it's just this boost related issue and that my car will be running fine right after. I normally wouldn't post 2 videos in a day, but I feel like this is something that I should post because I only saw 1 forum on it and it helped me. And if it helps you guys, then perfect, right? I mean, I don't know. I want it to be easier to find at least for people. So also, the second half of this video, I switched it to 60 frames per second. I don't know how it's gonna look on YouTube, so let me know if it looks weird or if it looks fine, because I mean, to be honest, once I only look at it when I edit it. I don't really watch it all the way through once I post it. I mean, I'll like it and then I'll watch like 20 seconds and I click out. So if you make it this far, thank you. I seriously appreciate it. You mean the world to me if you've made it this far. And please let me know how it looks at this part of the video. Peace out.